there. How you doing? Good? Let's get started. Alright, so today we're making strawberry milk. So we need some strawberries. And to prepare these strawberries, we're just slicing off the tops. Get rid of any leaves. And then we're gonna dice them. So just cut in half, cut in quarters, and then slice them up. We want these strawberry bits to be small enough to fit through a straw. These particular strawberry bits I'm gonna use for toppings. So here's what they look like so far. That's about the size we want. And today I'm using about 10 strawberries for the strawberry syrup we're going to make, and about 3 or 4 for the toppings. So this is what my 2 piles came out to look like. We have our roughly chopped syrup strawberries over there, and then our little bit smaller chopped toppings, and then a cute little strawberry for the very top at the end. So grab yourself a large bowl, and then scoop your syrup strawberry pile into it. Okay, so we're going to need some sugar, and then a measuring spoon, 1 tablespoon to be specific. I'm using 2 tablespoons of sugar today. You can use a little bit more if you'd like. It really depends on how sweet you want it. So grab a mashing device. Today I'm using a fork, but you can use a wooden spoon or a potato masher maybe. Now these are quite small bits, so it was a bit more challenging to mash them up than I had liked it to be, but you're gonna mash them up enough so that all the juices come out and so that they will kind of fit through a straw. It should look somewhat like this when you're done. Okay, so grab a saucepan, a small, medium-sized saucepan, and then turn your stove to about medium-high. And we're gonna cook these strawberries only for a few minutes, maybe not even a few minutes, but we're basically going to make sure the sugar and the strawberries are completely combined and bring out all that strawberry flavor. Once your mixture is bubbling like this, you can take it off the heat. And then transfer it to your mixing bowl. You want to be careful not to burn your strawberries. So now it's in the freezer for some chilling. We want to make sure it gets pretty cold. So we need something to put our milk in, and today I'm going to use 2 chilled mason jars. Go ahead and grab your strawberry mixture once it's cooled off enough, and some ice cubes to cool it off even more. Mine happened to be strawberry shaped, which I thought was very fitting. You can also use a big pasta sauce jar like this if you wanted to make a little bit more. So now we're going to separate our strawberry syrup into 2 jars. So you can make more or less of this depending on how sweet and how strawberry-y you like your strawberry milk. Go ahead and add the ice cubes in the beginning so that it cools down your strawberry mixture. I am lactose intolerant, so I do use non-dairy milk. I like oat milk, and also I wanted to add the vanilla soy milk for a little bit more sweetness and the vanilla flavor. So I filled my jars about 3/4 of the way with oat milk. and then the rest of the way with the vanilla soy milk. Go ahead and look at that. It already looks really, really good. And I love the sound of the ice clinking against the glass. So now that they're all filled, we can put our toppings on top. I also had some blueberries around, so I used those as a nice color contrast. These most likely will get stuck in the straws, but I'm sure we can live with that. And the final touch is our last half of a strawberry, right on the very top. So at this point you could put the tops on these, put them in the fridge, and leave them overnight for extra flavor, but I couldn't wait. So we're going to stir this up with our straw, and the straw method does take a little bit longer, but you can see how pretty that pink color is. The next one I'm going to try just shaking it. So the nice thing about mason jars is they come with a top. Screw on your mason jar top and just start shaking away. Once it's all pink, you know you've finished. You can see all the strawberry bits floating around in there. I think shaking also makes it colder because it's shaking the ice up. Now we need somebody to try our strawberry milk, and I think I know just the person.
Do we have it? Oh my! I like everything about it so far.
Taste it, taste it.
But then what if I don't like everything about it?
Taste it!
Mmm.
It's not overly sweet, right?
No.
Did you get strawberry bits?
Mmm.
You might get a blueberry in there.
I like this more than I thought I would.
Good.
Now the straw is stuck. That might be a blueberry.
This recipe was very easy and super delicious. I hope you make it. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and maybe subscribe while you're down there. I'll have more videos soon for you, but until then, have a good one. Bye!